Hello, this is Amal, and in this video, I will explain to you how your signers can simply access and sign on the document that you have prepared and shared with them using the Signit platform. So the signers will receive an email notification if the sending method was to be sent by email. They will receive an email notification with the document to review and complete signing on it. So by clicking on Review Document, they will be taken to the Signit platform to complete signing on the document and completing the agreement. As you can see here, this is the document that needs to be completed. And by clicking on Start Signing, they will be taken immediately to the required fields to complete. So here we have the signature field. The signers have three options to sign the document. They either can draw the signature, let's see, right here, and change the color of the signature as per needed, or they can type the signature, or they can upload it if they have it saved in their devices. So we're gonna choose draw the signature and then click on Insert Signature, and now it is added to the document and the document is ready to be finished